Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Dodge Coronet 440. This is a Hemi tribute car, guys. It is a rotisserie restored car. It's a factory color combination. It's factory Alpine white, and it has the original red vinyl interior on it. Very cool car, man. Nice little history behind this car. There's a booklet in the trunk that goes with the car that talks about the restoration. Car, they started with a 61,000 original mile car. It's got all the original panels on it, and then they did a really nice job doing a Hemi tribute. Again, correct color combination. Very, very nicely done. They did a Hemi K member, torsion bars. Car really drives out nice, plenty of power. Like I say, it's actually gray underneath. The inner fender wells are done in white, but the actual body underneath is actually gray. The rotisserie itself is a little bit older. It's got about 15,000 miles on it. Few little things that you can pick on it. You can see it's got the original grill in here. I think these are original bumpers. Looks like it used to have a sticker on it. Probably your old AAA sticker. Of course, it's got the hood scoop on it. Very nice car. Really nicely done. All this stuff is original. Paint is slick. You can see these are pretty doggone nice. Again, that's the original interior in there. All this stuff back here is original for the car. So they started with a great donor car and then did a Hemi tribute. Said it's got all the original sheet metal on it, brand new tires. I think you just spent $2,000 on the tires. I think these bumpers are original. Nice and straight down the sides. Factory 14-inch steel wheels. Again, he just bought the new tires. Redlines have gotten crazy. They're a couple $1,000s now. Of course, you can see the inner fender wells are done in body color. F70-14 Firestone bias ply tires. Factory steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. Okay, when this car was originally done, it had a 69 426 in it. And I'll show you in the receipts in the back. Just here at the beginning of 2024, this is a 472 525 horse crate Hemi. So I'm assuming they had a problem with the engine. Instead of messing with it, they just bought a crate Hemi for it. Dual quads. Mopar Performance intakes, Mopar Performance block. It's right from year one. There is a receipt in there for it. They just redid the power steering for it. It's got the dual line master cylinder. They upgraded it to front disc brakes. It's a A833 18 spline Hemi 4-speed manual transmission. This is the kind of keeps track of his oil and radiator flush and stuff like that, and that's also got the timing on it. There's also a ton of that stuff like the belts and hoses and everything that are in the trunk in that booklet that goes with it. Again, factory color combination. That stuff is all correct. And this is a pump gas engine. Runs on pump gas. Just got, I want you to think it's got bubbles. You just got some water coming over there. Yeah, our weather has severely changed since the last time we shot a video. Stock mirror, look how nice that is. That's what I'm telling you guys, they started with a very nice car. Original door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, this is the original interior. Factory bench seat. Headliner looks great, little split right there. There is a split, I think they cover it up with the seat belt. Again, that's original. Original steering wheel, you can see a couple little cracks in it. This is your factory dash, they put a sun tack in it. 74,245, that's the right miles on the car. There's an AM radio, it's got the Hurst shifter in it. All the factory gauges are in here. Brand new dual exhaust. It has a Dana 354 sure gripper axle in it. There is a factory jack. There is a spare in here. They kind of coated it black, but you can see it's got the jack with spare. That's all in here. And again, here's what I'm talking about that goes with the car. Here's the original story where they talk about it. And then, like I say, there's your receipt for your Hemi engine. And then he just shows all the upgrades and everything that he did to the car. And that all goes with, again, you get to the back here, there's all kinds of receipts, and there's hoses and part numbers on there too that go with it. Which is nice when you go to replace stuff, you're not really guessing. Everything opens and closes real nice. Great car. Again, very nice underneath. As always, photos of the car. All our cars are available on our website. We are encouraging people like crazy. If you're looking at one of our cars, make sure you're on southernmotors.com. I can't stress it enough. Pick up the phone and call us. There are a ton of scams going on. Phone number is 248-620-3355. And there's just not a week that goes by that we don't get informed of some kind of scam that's going on. It's got all the factory seat belts in it. Dash looks really good. Again, that's all original. How nice those are. It rolls out, got plenty of power, I'll tell you that, guys. Jack works, all your gauges are functional. Fit and finish is real nice on the car. Did the radio come on? No radio. Blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Got a bright out. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also subscribe now to southernmotors.com to get updates when I post new cars. That's a good looking car right there.